Today, I'm showing you 10 free image-to-video AI tools that can turn simple photos into realistic and cinematic videos. If you create YouTube videos, shorts, reels, AI content, or creative projects, these tools can save hours of editing and help you create better visuals much faster. And the best part? Most of these tools offer free access. So let's get started. Number 1. Google Vids. Google Vids is one of the easiest tools for beginners. You upload an image, describe the motion you want, and the AI turns it into a short animated clip. What makes it useful is the natural motion and clean output quality. It works well for storytelling, YouTube B-roll, and cinematic edits. If you're new to image-to-video generation and want something simple and fast, this is a great place to start. Number 2. Arena AI. Arena AI is different because it lets you compare multiple AI-generated results. Instead of getting only one version, you can see different styles and choose the best output. This makes it perfect for creators who want better-looking visuals without spending hours editing. The animation quality feels more advanced and cinematic compared to many basic tools. Number 3. Queen AI. Queen AI focuses on speed and smooth results. It creates short animated clips that look clean and realistic. This tool works especially well for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and fast content production. If your goal is creating quick videos with minimal effort, this one is worth trying. Number 4. Den AI. Den AI gives more creative control. You can experiment with different generation styles and create videos that match your project. The output feels smooth and flexible for creators who want more customization. This tool is useful when simple animation isn't enough and you want more control over the final result. Number 5. Tencent Hun. Tencent Hun is a strong option for creators who generate multiple clips. It performs well for longer creative projects and gives consistent animation results. If you create story videos, cinematic edits, or AI sequences, this tool can help produce multiple scenes efficiently. It's a good balance between quality and flexibility. Number 6. Meta AI. Meta AI is one of the fastest tools in this list. It creates realistic movement and makes static images feel alive. This works great for social content, storytelling, and experimental AI videos. The biggest advantage here is speed and simplicity. Number 7. VAI. VAI is popular because it allows creators to generate multiple videos without heavy limitations. The animation looks realistic and works surprisingly well for free users. Generation may sometimes take longer, but the final output makes it worth trying. If you want volume and flexibility, this is a strong option. Number 8. Bing Creator. Bing Creator combines good visuals with easy generation. The videos look polished and often feel more complete. It's especially useful for content creators who want faster production without losing quality. This tool works well for both short and cinematic content. Number 9. Ver AI. Ver AI keeps everything simple. The interface is clean, generation is fast, and results look good for quick projects. If you don't want complicated settings and just want to create videos quickly, this tool makes the process easy. Perfect for beginners. Number 10. Flow. And finally, Flow. This is one of the strongest tools if your goal is cinematic quality. The animations feel smoother, more realistic, and more premium. If you only need a few high-quality clips for your project, Flow can create impressive results. So these were 10 free image-to-video AI tools. Some are faster. Some focus on realistic animation. Some are better for unlimited creation. And some deliver higher quality results. Now tell me in the comments, which AI tool looked the most useful? And if you want the next video on the best prompts and complete AI video workflow, make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.